Could you get into depression after listening J. Krishnamurti? There is a question that coming, someone asked, commented that I got depression after listening J. Krishnamurti, and there are so many peoples who listening J. Krishnamurti are getting into depression. So, is it right? Let's have an inquiry on it and see. Krishnamurti teachings. That's why I am telling you that the teachings of Krishnamurti are beyond the efforts and beyond techniques and all kinds of system. And you are trying to fit his teachings into some systems, and that's why there is always duality between you and his teachings. But before that, make sure that you are not in a depression before listening J. Krishnamurti, or you are not something like you don't have symptoms of isolations before listening J. Krishnamurti, and when you listen J. Krishnamurti, you got confusion, and then you diagnosed depression, and you are thinking that I am getting depressed because of J. Krishnamurti teachings. Or you were fresh before Krishnamurti teachings, there is nothing, and after that you becoming depressed or getting into depression. So that's a two different thing. So it's all depends upon you, what is true for you. But as I said, depression sometimes it's biological. Depression is about when your whole thinking pattern distorted and your neurotransmitters in your brain like serotonin, dopamine, endorphin, oxytocin, all disturbed. So it's a disease like you have heart disease, you have liver, kidney disease, and that's a disease of brain. So all your levels disturbed, neurotransmitter, they can be come up into the right level. Maybe they are elevated or maybe they are getting decreased. So they will come up to the level of base after taking treatment. But as I said, that the teachings of Krishnamurti are like, yes, some people find it difficult to grasp because there is always a duality. Krishnamurti is telling to observe without the observer, see things without the thoughts, and there is always a thought, and now you will fight with thoughts first. But you are taking Krishnamurti teachings wrongly. Krishnamurti is telling about passive awareness. Just observe, and in that observation there is no suppression, there is no fighting, there is no suppression, there is no judgment, there is no adding, subtracting, there is no rationalizing. Just be aware, and the aware should be choiceless. And I don't know how it's right or wrong, but there are people who are telling that I came out of depression after listening J. Krishnamurti, not getting into depression, going into the depression. No. So this is all your mental, you can say, illusion, or you were before in depression already and you listened J. Krishnamurti so that I can relieve from depression, but your illness is so high, your brain molecules, your neurotransmitters are so much elevated or decreased or disturbed from their base, and you got depression, and you just said that I got depression because of Jiddu Krishnamurti. So that's wrong idea. But yes, there are so many people who are depressed or who are suffering, not getting right clarity, listening J. Krishnamurti, and I was also one of them, that I had also no clarity in life, but J. Krishnamurti helped me a lot. But that doesn't mean that I will say when I get depression that I got depression because of the Krishnamurti's teachings. No, this is not right approach. So the most important thing is that if you are listening J. Krishnamurti, you have to be just completely free of mind. Krishnamurti is telling you to be free of mind. And how can you say that you are getting depression because thoughts, and Krishnamurti is telling you don't fight with thoughts. You are fighting with thoughts, that's why you are getting depression. So that's a very simple thing. Krishnamurti is telling you there is no method, no system. Just quiet your mind. Just see without thoughts. There is no suppression. So Krishnamurti is telling you to free from your mind. There is no mind, absolutely no mind state. Just aware, just pure awareness, just choiceless. Don't choose even a thing. Even don't choose your depression. Don't chase anything. Just be effortless. But as I said that you will get some time. Give yourself time to grasp Krishnamurti teachings. But I will say the teachings of Krishnamurti actually helps people who are in depression. So I think this is wrong question, this is wrong allegation. If you are getting into depression, you have to see yourself. And yes, Krishnamurti is one of the person who is telling also that you don't have to follow me. So there is no assertion of Krishnamurti teaching that I have to follow Krishnamurti teachings. He is telling you to be free from all the authority. Surely I am not the fan of Krishnamurti, or I am not the follower of Krishnamurti, biggest follower of Krishnamurti, but as far as teachings are concerned, the teachings are pure. They are from the actual heart. So what's your take on this? Comment below. Thank you very much.